Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the heart of your home, the living room. If you are looking to breathe new life into your space, what better place to start than the walls? In this video we will explore my right of modern living room wall decorating ideas that are not only trendy but also easy to implement. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or a DIY novice, there is something for everyone. Let's get started. One of the hottest trends in modern living room decor is the accent wall. Choose a wall that draw attention upon entering the room and consider bold colors, texture, wallpapers or even reclaimed wood paneling for a rustic touch. The accent wall not only adds visual interest but also serves as a focal point tying the entire room together. Unless your inner creator by creating a gallery wall, mix and match frames of different size and styles to display your favorite art pieces, family photos or even mirrors. This eclectic arrangement adds a personal touch to your living room and can easily be updated as your taste evolves. Mirrors are not just for checking your reflection, they are also a fantastic tool for making a space feel larger and brighter. Consider incorporating a large statement mirrors or a collection of smaller mirrors to reflect light and create a sense of openness in your living room. Maximize both style and functionality with floating shelves. Showcase your favorite books, plants, and decor items on these sleek editions. Option for shelves with built-in storage to keep cluttered at bay while maintaining a modern and minimalistic look. Unleash your creativity with some simple and budget friendly DIY art projects from abstract painting to geometrics. There are endless possibilities. Not only do these projects add a personal touch, but they also become conversation started for guests. Bring the outdoors inside with nature inspired wall murals. Whether it is a lush forest, beach scenes, or a city skylines, these murals can completely transform your living room, creating a unique and climatic atmosphere. There you have it, a modern living room wall decorating ideas that are sure to elevate your space. Remember, the key is to blend your personal style with these trends to create a living room that reflects you. With ideas resonate with you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration ideas.